Many vertebrates form a series of tail segments complete with vertebrae, caudal vertebrae, which then continue through the tail. Human embryos form a series of somites which proceed into a tail region, but then most will be reduced and degenerate, although there are occasional infants born with remnants of a tail. The last of these caudal vertebrae, 3 to 5 in most humans, will fuse to form a solid bone known as the coccyx. So just as a series of sacral vertebrae fuse to form a solid sacrum, a series of 3 to 5 coccygeal vertebrae will fuse to make a solid coccyx. Although this coccyx performs little other than some a small amount of support of pelvic organs, the formation of the coccyx was extremely important because as apes became larger and wanted to have an upright stance, whether to hang upright, to climb in upright fashion, or to walk upright. There was a problem because at now the base of the hips, if one were to stand upright, the 2 pubic bones no longer support the pelvic organs. And so therefore this modification of the ape tail meant that the muscles which once moved the tail, raised the tail, they could be reorganized and form what's known as a pelvic diaphragm, which now supports the pelvic organs. So it is not simply the skin which supports the weight of the pelvic organs against gravity, but rather this pelvic diaphragm made from modified tail muscles. So while the human coccyx is not significant in and of itself, the transformation of an external tail into the coccyx helped to allow upright walking.